Hi, I'm Bobbi Russell, clinical trichologist and master hair replacement specialist with the American Hair Loss Council. I have been a studio owner for 16 years, and I specialize in hair replacement, hair extensions, healthy scalp care, hair loss solutions including chemotherapy and medical prosthetics. It's an interesting story how I got into the hair loss industry. I was very young and I had the opportunity to do some hair extensions on a friend. And of course there was no education when I started doing it. And I literally would work with a mannequin head between my knees trying to figure this thing out. And I discovered that there were just a lot of things that I didn't understand. And a lot of times when you were doing hair extensions, a lot of people came to you that had hair loss. And at the time I didn't understand that completely, and once I was putting hair extensions on people who had hair loss, unfortunately it was making their hair fall out. That would really break my heart. And I just started this journey of just my education of learning everything that I could learn about hair replacement. And at a very young age, I was very lucky to meet some amazing people that I consider my mentors, and it has changed my life. I wanted to become a trichologist because when I learned that trichology was actually a bridge between cosmetology and dermatology, oh my gosh, it was going to open up so many doors for me and my guest. The knowledge that is received and understanding of what actually causes hair loss really intrigued me. I've lost my own hair 4 times, and it's such a devastating experience, and I wanted to know why. I truly wanted to give my clients the best solutions that I could give them. My objective is to educate other stylists and consumers to have a better understanding of hair loss and the possible solutions that can be done for them. I'm going to be doing a video series on understanding the hair growth cycle and the situations that cause us to lose our hair. In the second video, I'm going to be going over the possible solutions for those hair loss situations. Stick around, I'll see you in the next video.